Welcome guys sa ating cooking show. Magluluto tayo ngayon ng steam na talong.
Wow!
Ang ipanghalo natin is dried shiitake mushroom or pwede kayo gumamit ng fresh na shiitake mushroom. I-slice lang ito ng maliliit.
Wow!
Then, haluan din natin ng carrot. Gagarin natin yung carrot.
Wow!
Ito na yung minced pork. Tapos ko na ito nahugasan at na-drain ko na rin. Ilagay na natin yung carrot.
Wow!
And then yung shiitake mushroom.
Wow!
Then, spring onion. At konting garlic.
Wow!
Then, haluin ng mabuti. Then, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And then, oyster sauce. And then, konting white pepper. And, haluin ng mabuti.
Wow!
Lagyan natin ng itlog. Yung puti lang ating ilagay. Yung yellow wag ilagay. I-separate natin yung yellow. And then, haluin ulit ng mabuti.
Wow!
Then, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon na cornstarch. And then, haluin ulit ng mabuti.
Wow!
Ito yung talong na gagamitin natin. Half lang yung gagamitin natin. Kasi yung itira ito nung ginamit ko nung nakaraan. Ganito lang yung pagbalat niya. And then, i-cut natin ito ng half. And then, gumamit tayo ng chopstick para hindi maano yung pagka-slice niya.
Wow! Wow!
Then, ilagay na natin yung minced pork na na-mix natin kanina sa talong.
Wow!
It's done guys. Ready na for steaming.
Wow!
Pakulo na ko ng tubig. I-steam na natin yung talong guys in 11 minutes in high flame. It's done steaming guys. And then, gagawa tayo ng sauce. 2 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And then, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce.
Wow!
And then, lagyan natin ng tubig. Then, haluin ng mabuti. And then, lagyan natin ng cornstarch.
Wow!
And then, mix again. Yung sauce guys, initin lang natin hanggang sa lumapot na ito ng konti.
Wow! Wow!
After natin lagay yung sauce, lagyan natin ng spring onion.
Wow!
It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching.
Wow!
Yummy!